How was your experience with Salvatore Dental?
It was so much better than amazing. I mean, really worked out. I was very fearful. The second I came in here, I knew that this was the spot. I, shopped for teeth like I would a truck, and I hit up 4 or 5, different dentists. I met Dr. Rich, I think, second or third in line, but knew he was going to be the guy to do it. It was probably the most effortless thing as far as my teeth are concerned that I've had done. So it was amazing. I'm blown away.
That's incredible. I know you said it was effortless. It felt effortless. So walk me through just a little bit of your surgery and kind of your healing process. What was that like for you?
Well, I was worried about it. I mean, the real cool thing about you guys is there's always a human on the other side of the phone. And the other amazing thing is sometimes it was Dr. Rich, which is a rarity, with other professions and whatnot. What happened is came in, he set me up. The main thing was he calmed me down, because I get the little anxiety over, having all your teeth ripped out and all that kind of stuff. And then, I had some swelling. He said, don't worry about it. He was very comforting, part psychiatrist, I think, psychologist. I felt good about it the whole way through. I mean, there was all the stuff that goes along with having teeth out. Just have to deal with that for like, a week or something like that. But the process was great. And then, all the way through, I was explained the steps. Lo and behold, the steps happened exactly as they were told, which is a beautiful thing. And my final implants were approximately a month early. How cool is that?
Amazing. Yeah. Now, I know you haven't seen your finals yet, but what has the reaction been of your friends and family so far?
You're smiling a lot more, Rick. What's the deal? My God, you never used to smile this much. So that's what they thought about it. Yeah.
That's absolutely incredible. Yeah. Along with smiling more, and your friends and family have noticed, what's been the change you've noticed in yourself?
It psychologically, it does, it opens you up a little bit more, because you are able to smile. Sometimes you want people to see, your reaction, and you couldn't react with a smile. I mean, you know how it generates between, back and forth and whatnot, and you couldn't generate that kind of stuff if it was just the other person smiling, and you were wanting to smile in your mind.
One last question before I stop torturing you and let you see your finals. What would you say to someone that was in a similar position to you and is in the research phase looking into things? What would you say to them?
I mean, research it. I mean, that's the very, very bottom line. I must have, sat with my iPhone and Googled for, a couple hours and everything. And I would say research it, learn as much as you can about it. And then when you finally make the decision, to have it done, it's good to have choices, and to go see other people and whatnot, For me, Dr. Rich struck a chord, I mean, when he told me you like Victor Wooten, that was it, He's a bass player, so we immediately connected there. But no, aside from that, it was just, I can't say enough about it.
Amazing. All right, Kaylee.
All right, it's me. Oh man. My wife is gonna love these. I just don't believe it. Yeah, that's them. That is them. That's the 20-year-old me right there.
Are you happy?
Oh my God, that's fantastic. It is just unbelievable. Finally, I'm at the end of the road, and it's been a long road. It's been 7 years, 8 years worth of dental work, and sweating every time I went into a dentist. No sweat here.
Amazing. And how do they feel in your mouth?
They feel good. Yeah, they feel real good. They'll take some getting time to getting used to over time.
For sure.
But no, they feel pretty good.
Amazing.
Yeah.
All right.